Here's the back I made for serial number 11. And when I was drawing the outline around here, I found a real punky spot in the wood right in there. And I fear that that is not good, because there's a matching punky spot over here in the book match. And on the show side, I mean, it makes a real spectacular piece with all the interesting lines, and it doesn't feel too awfully soft there. But if you look at the reflection of the wood, you can see there's a difference in the sheen, and I just fear that that will not prove to be durable. And as this ukulele will be played, hopefully a lot, it needs to be durable. So what to do? I looked at the pieces that I've already thicknessed that I could substitute in. They would probably be okay, but they're not as showy. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to thickness this piece right here, which will really be quite pretty. It has some interesting little beauty marks in it that will create some visual interest in the back. It won't be as lively as that back, but it'll be okay. And it's a good solid piece. Unfortunately, it's about twice too thick, so I have to do some thicknessing to bring it down to the proper size. But that will work. That doesn't take too awfully long. I should be able to do it in the morning. And that will give us a good solid piece to use for the back, because we want this thing to last a nice long time. And I will feel good about sending out something that has this solid back on it. I will feel anxious about sending out this piece, no matter how pretty it is, because it does have some spots of weakness. Sad.